the Director of Human Resources and Chief Human Resource Officer for the Times of India Group. He's a seasoned senior leader with experience across diverse sectors like Tata Motors, CSC, Britannia Industries, Taj Group of Hotels, Vodafone, RPG Group, and Reliance Group. An alumnus of the Kellogg School of Management, Amit is a prominent and respected global HR leader. He is a part of many advisory boards and governing council member in several reputed corporates and educational institutions across the world. Amit has also been a key member of the Empowered Expert Committee under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Amit has also been nominated by the Government of India to be the part of the CII B20 task force in India's presidency for G20 on future of work, skilling and mobility, for mapping and aligning future jobs, technology and employability, skilling, reskilling and upskilling, and international mobility of skilled workforces. So without further ado, Amit.
Thank you, Bimanda, for the nice introduction. Good evening, everybody, and good morning or good afternoon to each one of you from wherever you must be joining this event from. So it is a great pleasure to be with you today, and I must thank GAABESU for organizing this, and especially choosing a subject which is extremely relevant for all our graduating students from our alma mater IIST. So what I would like to share in the next 10 to 15 minutes, if time permits, would primarily hinge on how you need to embark on this journey to explore this dynamic and ambiguous business landscape, and what would be some of the key areas of opportunities which you may look at for you to become successful and build a rewarding career. Okay. So the first thing that you must be aware in order to become future ready for the industry is first to sense the talent appetite for the industry across sectors. So if we first understand the key developments that are defining the business landscape in India, we have to understand the skills that are in high demand currently. The first thing which comes to my mind and which has become a buzzword today is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So with the rise of Industry 4.0, AI and ML, it has become absolutely integral to almost all engineering domains. Automation, data analytics, intelligent systems. These are transforming industries like manufacturing, healthcare, finance. So engineers who are proficient in AI and ML or deep learning and neural networks, they would be in high demand. And this would reflect the need for innovative solutions and efficient processes. The next thing I'll talk about is cybersecurity. With the increased digitization of businesses and services, the demand for cybersecurity professionals, I would say, it has surged now. Engineers specializing in cybersecurity are essential to safeguard sensitive information for the business, networks, systems. The ability to develop robust security measures, encrypted techniques, risk assessment strategies is highly valued by the industry today. So I think with rapid advancements and adoption of technology by organizations, the need for these cybersecurity experts tomorrow is only expected to keep rising more and more. Renewable energy, I think some amount of it has been spoken by Sudhanshu as well as Tejashwini ma'am. India is actively working towards sustainable and clean energy solutions. Engineers with experience in renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, bioenergy, they would be in high demand. So designing and implementing green technologies, optimizing green efficiency, integrating renewable energy into existing infrastructure. These will be critical skills for engineers like you in the field, whichever discipline you are graduating from. Robotics and automation. The era of robotics and automation systems, it's gradually unfolding, and engineers who are proficient in robotics, they would be at the forefront. Industries like manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, they're increasingly relying on robotic solutions for efficiency as well as for precision. So skills in robot programming, automation design, artificial intelligence, those are applied to robotics and are essential for engineers across domains. Data science and big data, again, much talked about. The sheer volume of data generated across industries it requires skilled professionals to extract meaningful insights from the data. So engineers with expertise in data science and big data technologies, they would always be in high demand. From data analysis to predictive modeling, these skills would be crucial for informed decision-making as well as optimizing processes. I would also talk about 3D printing and additive manufacturing. The engineering landscape today is witnessing a shift towards innovative manufacturing technologies with 3D printing at the forefront. Engineers who are adept at 3D printing technologies and additive manufacturing processes, they are contributing to various advancements in product design, prototyping, and production. Now, all that I have been talking about so far, they are only some of the notable engineering skills in high demand as of today that we are witnessing. But in a fast-growing economy like India, the potential for quality engineering professionals would be endless. Many other sectors like agriculture, finance, education, they would also offer promising opportunities. So as the country continues to emerge as a global economic player, certain sectors are experiencing a surge in demand for engineering graduates. We can also have a look at some of the key engineering disciplines, both traditional as well as, I would say, emerging, that are also having exciting opportunities in the industry. For example, the age-old IT industry, IT and software development. India's continued dominance in the IT sector is well established today, and it continues to be a hub for development as well as technology services. So with the rise of digital transformation, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, there will be consistent demand for skilled engineers in software development, cybersecurity, I spoke about, data analytics, IT infrastructure. So to have a successful career in IT and software development, you need to have a clear strategy by adopting this strategy of continuous learning. You have to stay updated on the latest technologies through online courses and certifications, particularly in AI, ML, and cybersecurity. You have to showcase your skills and projects on professional platforms like LinkedIn and actively engage in relevant discussions on such platforms. You have to also participate in open source projects to kind of gain practical experience and demonstrate your commitment to the community. I can also talk about automotive and aerospace engineering. The automotive and aerospace sectors in India today are experiencing, again, rapid growth. So engineers specializing in automotive design, manufacturing, electric vehicle technologies, they would be in high demand. Similarly, the aerospace industry would seek professionals with experience in or expertise in aircraft design, avionics, space exploration technologies. So to have a successful career in this kind of a field like automotive and aerospace engineering, you would need to have a clear strategy while specializing in this kind of emerging technologies, focusing on autonomous systems, electric vehicles, and you have to align with the industry advancements. That's more important. There will be also a lot of demand from the healthcare and biotechnology sectors. The healthcare and biotechnology sectors, they're increasingly relying on engineering solutions to address complex challenges. Say biomedical engineers, medical device developers, professionals who specialize in healthcare IT, they will be in high demand as the industry continues to evolve with technological advancements. The industry has also come to now focus on importance on the much bigger manner post the pandemic that we have all witnessed. Now, to make a mark in this kind of a healthcare and biotechnology sector, you need to practice a lot of cross-disciplinary knowledge. You have to combine your engineering expertise with an understanding of biology and healthcare as well. Also, in my mind, I would think a lot of opportunities will come in infrastructure development and construction. Now, India's ambitious infrastructure projects, including the smart cities, transportation networks, those are driving for the demand for civil as well as structural engineers. So professionals in this sector, they have to work on designing and implementing large-scale projects, ensuring sustainable as well as efficient infrastructure development. So to make an impact in this kind of a sector, you need to develop project management skills as well. You have to acquire project management certifications and develop your skills in planning and execution. At the same time, I would suggest you have to also gain a practical experience through internship with construction firms. And obviously, you have to stay informed about eco-friendly construction practices, sustainable infrastructure development. The other sector which is gaining momentum and which will give a lot of opportunities is e-commerce and logistics. The booming e-commerce industry in India, it requires engineering expertise in areas such as logistics, supply chain management, and automation. So engineers who contribute to optimizing, say, warehouse operations, for example, developing efficient delivery systems, implementing cutting-edge technologies in this kind of a logistics sector, they would be in high demand. So you have to understand these supply chain management principles, and also you have to stay updated on emerging technologies, data analytics, and software solutions, which are related to this logistics sector.
Amit, if you please wrap up in the next minute or so, that would be helpful. Thank you.
And maybe lastly, I'll talk about the growing awareness on environmental sustainability, which both Sudhanshu and Tejaswi have spoken about. The demand for environmental engineers is on the rise. So these kind of professionals, they will be working on projects related to waste management, pollution control, sustainable development, contributing to more greener and more eco-friendly future. So to summarize, I would say that the demand for engineering roles in India is diverse and it spans across various sectors. It reflects our country's commitment to technology advancement and sustainable development. The list of sectors that have exciting opportunities is ever expanding and is not limited to the only ones that I spoke about. I would also urge each one of you to look at roles in startups and not just traditional organizations, like considering your career choices. So it is an age, obviously, of the startups, and they are looking for young and dynamic engineers who can think out of the box and work cross-functionally. The emergence of gig economy is another area of opportunity. We should be open-minded, flexible, and while making those kind of professional choices and not lose out on opportunities and experience with the view that only full-time traditional roles are the path to make successful career. So I would not take any more because of the paucity of time. Thank you and wish you all the best in your future career journey.
Thank you very, very much, Amit. In spite of your health issues, you have stayed with us for the whole duration. Thank you very much. And just in case for the students, if you are listening, Amit has a full hour-long coverage. He covered a much wider aspects at much depth. So I'd request you to listen to Amit. You can get the link through our website, GAABESU.in.
Thank you. Thank you so much.